Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and I have a Bath and Body Works haul. I did pick up the new Toast to You, so I want to share first impressions on that. Also, Bath and Body Works is doing a sale today with the laundry. So it's I believe it's a laundry detergent, and then you get the dryer sheets for $15. And I also have a haul from over the weekend. We had the 275 Wallflowers. I want to share that as well because I wasn't feeling good the past week. That's why I didn't film. I had like a sinus cold and a pressure headache. I just felt terrible. And then my daughter's birthday was also this past Saturday. So I was kind of busy this weekend. So I just didn't film, but I'm back to film. I feel much better and I'm happy to share with you guys what I got. But if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and let's definitely get into this. And also, I am filming with wet hair. I was feeling kind of self-conscious about it because in my one video someone commented that I'm filming with wet hair. And you know what it is? I air dry my hair. My hair takes forever to dry. Like went I showered earlier today. I went to Bath and Body Works, came back, my hair's still wet, and it is what it is. I'm sorry guys if it bothers anybody, but it is what it is. I'm gonna I'm excited to film. I don't feel like waiting until my hair dries. But okay, let's start with Toast to You. We had sneak peeks of this for a while, so we are able to see the packaging and everything. It is like sequence, like you would get on like a New Year's Eve dress or something like that. And I don't know, I like it. It's dark, it's kind of mysterious. You do get a fancy lid, and it does retail for $18.95, so it is reward eligible, and that is what I used today. But the fragrance notes are sequined plums, berry spritz, and smooth amber. It says a toast to you because you're the reason the world feels a little more bubbly. And this is also a hair and body fragrance. So it says it is safe for all hair types and color treated hair. So of course, I tried this at the store. I sprayed it in my car. I like it. I do. I really do like this. It's not like my favorite scent in the world, but I do enjoy it. Something comparable is like Dream Bright, maybe. Or maybe I'm thinking that because I did wear Dream Bright today. I wore a combination of Dream Bright and Wicked Vanilla Woods. And this kind of reminds me of that combo. It really does. Like I mixed those two together. So you do get like the plum, the berry notes in here. So it does add sweetness to it, but you do get that smooth amber as well because it almost makes it feel like a little bit of musk or something in here, a little woodiness to make it have more of a depth to it. I like it. I do. It for me, this is like my type of perfumey scents that I enjoy. But it may be too similar to Dream Bright for some people. I think there's differences. Dream Bright, I want to say, has more of that. I can't remember if it's patchouli in Dream Bright, but there's something in there that makes it like a little more darker. But yeah, it kind of reminds me of Dream Bright and Wicked Vanilla Woods mixed together. And it's funny because I did that combo today, recommended by one of you guys. But I like it. When I wore it in my car, I was driving home from Bath and Body Works, and it snowed yesterday, the first snow of the season. So there's some snow on the ground. I had my winter hat on. I don't know. I just really enjoyed the whole vibe this gave. It definitely makes you think of like winter, New Year's Eve, but the sweetness from the plum and the berry it makes it. I don't know. I just enjoy it. I'm curious what other people are gonna think of this. Like I said, I like it. No, it's not like the most unique or the most amazing scent ever. Like it's not my favorite in my entire collection, but I do like it. I will wear it. I don't think I'll necessarily pick up a body lotion or a body wash because I'm sure I could pair this with something else, but I do like it. Now they are doing the sale. The body, I can't, or the laundry care. I'm not sure if it's just like the laundry detergent or if you could do the fabric beads instead. I'm not 100% on that. If you guys know, let us know down below. But I did participate. I mean, yes, you can get these cheaper at SAS, but you're kind of not, but they don't always have, like, by the time it gets to 75% off, a lot of stuff is sold out. So you're kind of get whatever's available if there's anything left. And there's so many holiday laundry care that came out. And I really had my eye on the snowflakes and cashmere. I have been loving it this year, and I love like the gray packaging. I know it's going to be sitting in my laundry room, but it just, it's so pretty. Yeah, it smells like snowflakes and cashmere. Kind of like sweet, creamy vanilla cashmere with that little bit of or like tangerine in here. It's so good to me. I love it. And it does say it is a concentrated formula and washes up to 64 loads. I always feel like I use too much. It says measure to line 1 in cap, or for large loads, measure to line 2. I don't know. I don't see any lines, but yeah. And then this will be my first time trying the dryer sheets. I have heard mixed things about this. I do wish they had the dryer sheets in like the holiday fragrances as well. They didn't. Um like that would be so cool. They had snowflakes and cashmere, but I did pick up the mahogany teak wood. This is rich mahogany, dark oak, and frosted lavender. I don't know, it smelled good when I was squeezing all the packages. I mean, there wasn't much to choose from. They had the like lavender, cactus blossom, like sun drenched linen, and then this one. And this one smelled the best to me. So I did get this. I'll have to like follow up probably in an empties video and let you guys know what I think of it, how it performs. But now I want to share with you guys my haul from last Friday. I did film a video, but I still wasn't feeling the best. And when I looked over like my footage, I was like, I'm not posting that. So I will share it now. My store did have 2 of the PocketBacs available. There's a bunch of new PocketBacs coming out. I think the official release date for all these PocketBacs are November 17th, but my store had 2, so I did get the suitcase. And this, I think it's so cute. I like the color. You open it up, put your PocketBac in here. It does have some charms on here, like the airplane and this little charm thing. And this does retail for $14.95, so it's kind of a little more expensive than the other stuff. I think it's cute, like if you're traveling for the holidays or something and you want to hook this on your purse or your bag. So I know I'm not going to be doing any airplane traveling lately. I feel like there's a lot going on right now with that, but I think it's super cute. And then I did pick up the cherry drink one. How adorable. This looks like more like a Valentine's Day PocketBac holder. And you do have the cherries and the heart like straw. This one retails for $9.95, so a little cheaper. And they're also still, I guess there's still a seahorse that I want to get. There's like a strawberry, like a basket full of strawberries, and then there's a really cute butterfly one. So I do have my eyes on those whenever I see those in store. And yeah, over the weekend they had that 275 wallflowers with the limited edition tree ones. So I did pick up all of those. And the 275 was like the lowest price of the season. So I did want to participate. My sense of smell wasn't the greatest though on Friday. So when I was picking like different scents, I was like picking things that stood out to me and actually were kind of strong. Some things I couldn't even smell. So yeah, there's 5 in the Christmas tree. I did get Tree Farm, so that has that like pine spruce scent. Not one of my faves, but I did want to complete the collection of the Christmas trees. And I do think this would be nice like in your living room or wherever you have your Christmas tree. I actually have a vintage aluminum Christmas tree. When we moved into this house in 2020, it was in the attic, like a complete 7-foot aluminum Christmas tree from, I think, the 50s. And we brought it down. We put it together in the basement. It does need some work. Like the pole is a little damaged, and there's different, like it's not perfect. Actually, that's the only thing that's wrong is the pole. So I didn't use it last year, but this year I want to bring it upstairs and put it together. And it's quite a project because it's like little metal branches, and I wasn't exactly sure how to put it together. So when I put it together, it was like huge. So, but I do want to do that, and you cannot use Christmas lights on them because you can start a fire. So maybe I could go on Amazon and find like a modern color wheel to, because I don't want to buy like a vintage one because I'm just worried about the electrical stuff with that. But yeah, you would use like a vintage color wheel, and it would reflect different lights on the tree instead of using lights. So yeah, I'm gonna use it that this year. But my whole thing is, I totally got off topic, but you could put this wherever your Christmas tree is if you don't have a real tree to get that like real pine scent. And then I got Frosted Sleigh Ride, which is really pretty, like blue. And this is soft white snow, ice, pine forest, and fresh air. I remember this smelled kind of like cologne-ish. So it like clean, fresh cologne. I never gave you guys the notes for Tree Farm. I know a lot of people know it because Tree Farm is something that comes back every year, but it's crisp pine needles, warm cedar, and spiced apple. And then I picked up Pink Fairy Gumdrop. Everyone, this was like the favorite. Everyone was very excited for this one. And it's super cute, like the light pink. And this is sparkling sugared berries, pink cotton candy, and sprinkle of fairy dust. So it's like kind of like a pink cotton candy scent, or like a strawberry cotton candy. I did actually have a single candle that I used up recently, but I didn't, that one didn't perform very well. It was very weak. Could have been because it was a single wick. I don't know. I do hope this performs well. It just makes me a little nervous because it is like a lighter scent, like a softer scent in general. But if you guys pick this up and like started using it, let me know how it performs. And then I got iced vanilla woods, like the silver like label, the white one. And this is ice lavender, sweet vanilla, and ebony wood. I felt like I picked up a lot of that lavender in here. So it's a little misleading. It's not really like just vanilla woods. It's definitely more of a lavender scent. And then the last one is holiday, the beautiful red tree with red cinnamon stick, Christmas clove buds, and ground nutmeg. I love these types of scents for this time of the year. It totally makes me think of Christmas, and it's like that cinnamon and apple. I just love it, and I really enjoyed the way this one smelled. And then I did pick up a couple of the Milk Bar. So I got the Milk Bar birthday cake because I just like the way it smells, like that vanilla funfetti like cake, birthday cake. And like my daughter's birthday just passed. My birthday is next month. My husband's birthday is next month. So I just wanted it. And I also got peppermint bark truffle because I've been loving the way peppermint scents smell, especially like having that cold the past week. And I was using a ton of twisted peppermint and this scent as well, the peppermint bark truffle for like body care. And I think this would be really nice like in your bedroom, or if you had twisted peppermint going in your bedroom, and if you have a cold or something, like it's not gonna like cure you, but I feel like it would be relaxing, and the mentholy smell maybe help make let you breathe a little better. So I did get that one. Oh, and I also did get the cinnamon sugar pretzel cookie. Just because I really like the way this one smelled. I will be honest though, in store I couldn't really smell this one all that much in the tester, but I'm hoping it performs well. And a new, I think it's a new one, I'm not sure if it's returning or not, is Mary Berry Martini. And this is categorized as fruity and bright. And it is fresh muddled raspberries, cranberry cocktail splash, and sugar crystal rim. I like the way this smells. I'm usually really like a fan of these fruity cocktail type drinks. This one had a lot of cranberry in it, so I like the way how I liked how it smelled in the tester. And then the last two I got, they're kind of similar to each other. The first one is Christmas cider. It says it's a holiday favorite, and this is mulled cinnamon, crushed clove, creamy nutmeg, and simmering cider. Like I said, I just really love these like apple cider cinnamon clove type scents, and I thought it smelled really good, so I did get it. And it is kind of similar to spiced apple toddy, and I feel like I might even already own this one, or I owned it in the past, I can't remember, but it is an other holiday favorite. It says warm apple brandy, spice plum, tart cranberry, and cinnamon stick. I think it smells really good. Like I said, I love those smells. I love those types of candles too for this time of the year. Like I have Harvest Gathering Burning. This is no longer available. I believe it was clearanced out. Not really safe what I'm doing, but it's fresh picked apple, autumn berries, and clove buds. So it's kind of like that apple cinnamon spice, but it has berries mixed in it. Oh, and I found this little guy. This little guy was in the drawer. So these used to be my husband's mother. She had a lot of knickknacks. And I had this one out for November. The little bear with the, I don't know, the pumpkin and the crow. And now I have the little, I guess it's the little boy bear in the pumpkin. So I just wanted to share. I think it's so stinking cute. And I know bears have been super popular this year, like teddy bears. And mine is vintage, maybe the 90s, 80s. It's crazy that that's vintage now. But okay, that is it for today's video. It was nice talking with you guys. It's been a while. I'm so used to filming a few times a week, and I haven't filmed in like over 7 days. But I hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know if it snowed by you, if you're up like north, or even if it cooled down by you, because I know a lot of you people are down south and experience very warm weather all year round. So I'd love to know, like, is it starting to feel like Christmas season by you? I mean, here, definitely with the snow on the ground and like going into Bath and Body Works with all the holiday decorations, I don't know, it was just giving a whole vibe. And then driving home wearing this, I don't know if it's like my state of mind or whatever, but it made me really enjoy this and just the whole vibe and feeling it was giving. But okay, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.